Hello YouTube. As promised in the live stream, I'm going to give you guys an update today of Alex's lawn. One comment you guys made, and it's a fair one, is that I've been showing you guys how my lawn has been transitioning into dormancy over the fall, but I've not given you guys a real update as far as how Alex's lawn is progressing. So here's the control. This is what my lawn looks like. This is in late October. So now let's take a look at Alex's lawn. I want to show you guys how that's doing. Overall, guys, I think very, very good. I mean, if you compare the color differences between his lawn and mine, there are some. I mean, it's a little bit lighter, but overall, given all the work that he's put into it this year, I think you're really seeing benefit as far as how even the color still looks and how the lawn is falling off relatively slowly in comparison to other lawns in the neighborhood. If we use, again, my lawn, the swale area of my lawn here as a control, you can see the color looks there. And now as we transition over to the area leading up to the front part of his lawn, like this area that leads up to his back lawn, that looks pretty good, guys. Overall, the color, nice and even. If we come back here to the vanity strip, you can see how my vanity strip, this area right in here, again, it's the color is probably a little bit darker right in here, but then as you transition up, it's a little bit lighter, but overall, guys, fairly even. Like, I mean, I would definitely, absolutely take that. That looks really, really good. Very happy with how it's doing. You can see along here, again, give you guys a little closer shot of his front lawn area. He obviously mowed lengthways this time, but I mean, it looks really good. The big thing is the color looks nice and even. Now, as far as things that we've done to the lawn since the last time you guys saw an update, is we did do a full Proscape application to his lawn in about a month ago in mid-September. We did a full application of Proscape, I think it's the 25012 that we put down. But outside of that, all you're seeing here is just a result of regular mowing. If we come around here now to the front lawn area, that's looking pretty good as well. Again, the big thing is how nice and even the color is. We go down to his vanity strip area down here. Again, also nice and even as far as that color goes. Now here's the thing, guys. Alex doesn't know, but I'm gonna try and convince him to do another top dress next year. I think one more top dress and it'd be perfect. Let me take you guys around the back area here to show you guys where we had that spurge issue. I think some of the spurge is still there, but I'll talk to you guys what we're gonna end up doing with that. Again, color looking pretty good. We come around here and you can still see there's still a bit of spurge that's in this section of the lawn. So like right through here and all in this midsection here, there's still some spurge. But what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna wait until the season is over. Like, I don't want to go and do any herbicides at this late in the season. It's just gonna hurt the grass. And what I think is gonna happen is we're gonna do what I did with my lawn, which is to put down a blend of Speed Zone and Dismiss. That's absolutely gonna knock the spurge out. It worked really well on my lawn, but the problem is that it is gonna discolor the turf. You are gonna get some yellowing as an aside from doing that. So no reason to do that. Hey guys, no reason to do that right now. So we'll just wait until the lawn goes fully dormant, and then we can put down that herbicide, kill the spurge. We can start out next season really, really good. Well, I hope this has also been like a good inspiration for a lot of you guys that are thinking about taking the plunge, because a lot of people really want to get their lawns in great shape, and you're not really sure where to get started. So I hope the Fix My Ugly Lawn series that we did this year was useful to you guys. I mean, it showed everything from beginning to end, from starting from a lawn that had quite a bit of weeds and some issues, all the way through getting the weeds under control, through top dressing, through regular soil amendments, through soil testing. You guys saw the entire process. So if you guys are thinking about doing this next year, you've got the recipe, you've got the playbook. Like, watch through that series, episodes 1 through 14. I think this is gonna be episode 15, the closeout episode, and just go through that. And really next year, you're gonna be armed and ready to go so that when the spring hits, you're gonna be in a really, really, really good shape. Also, guys, if you guys have not been following the series that I've been putting out on Tifway 419 versus Arden 15, if you're interested in seeing how different types of Bermuda will fall off or go into dormancy as cooler weather sets in, be sure to check that out. So that's a great reason to subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. So consider doing that. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, and again, if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on updates. Obviously, my posting frequency is going to come down a little bit as the fall comes in, because there's going to be, frankly, less content, less stuff in the lawn to show you guys. But be sure to check out the live stream that I do every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern time, where you can get your lawn questions answered. So that's another way for me to interact with you guys and for you guys to still get some value out of the content. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, I truly do appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.